ભર્યો છે તેમાં વધારો થયો છે.
I begin my direct tax proposals by offering my pranam to our senior citizens. Many of them, despite having foregone several basic necessities of their own, have strived to build our nation. Now in the 75th year of independence of our country, when we continue our endeavor with renewed vigor, we shall reduce compliance burden on our senior citizens who are 75 years of age and above. For senior citizens who only have pension
વર્ષમાં જ્યારે અમે નવા જોશ સાથે આગળ વધી રહ્યા
I
છીએ,
propose exemption from filing their income tax returns.
જેઓની ઉંમર 75 વર્ષથી વધુ છે તેઓના પર
Bank will deduct the necessary tax on their income. Reduction in time
પેન્શનની
for
રકમ જ
income
છે
tax
તેઓ
to
માટે
cease
આયકરમાંથી છૂટ
is a
આપવાનો
very key
પ્રસ્તાવ હું રજૂ કરું છું.
announcement if you are asking. Honorable Speaker, presently an assessment can be reopened up to 6 years and in serious tax fraud cases for up to 10 years. As a result, taxpayers have to remain under uncertainty for a very long time. I therefore propose to reduce this time limit for reopening of assessments to 3 years from the present 6 years. In serious tax evasion cases too, only where there is evidence of concealment of income of 50 lakh or more in a year. In serious tax evasion cases too, only where there is evidence of concealment of income of 50 lakh or more in a year can the assessment be reopened up to 10 years. Even this reopening can be done only after the approval of the Principal Chief Commissioner, the highest level of Income Tax Department. Setting up the Dispute Resolution Committee. Honorable Speaker, it has been the resolve of this government to reduce litigation which mars the present taxation system. The government came out with the direct taxation Vivad Se Vishwas scheme to give taxpayers an opportunity to settle long pending disputes and be relieved to further strain on their time and resources.
સરકારનો સંકલ્પ રહ્યો છે કે મુકદ્દમાબાજીને ઓછું કરવામાં આવે તે માટે સરળીકરણ કરવામાં આવી રહ્યું છે સરકાર તરફથી કરદાતાઓ માટે અને ઇન્કમ ટેક્સ ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ માટે.
Have already opted to settle tax disputes of over 85,000 crores under the scheme. To further reduce litigation for small taxpayers, I propose to constitute a dispute resolution committee for them, which will be faceless to ensure efficiency, transparency and accountability. Anyone with a taxable income up to 50 lakh and disputed income up to 10 lakh shall be eligible to approach the committee.
વિવાદ સમાધાન સમિતિનો પ્રસ્તાવ સરકાર તરફથી હું કરી રહી છું જેનાથી લોકોની વચ્ચે સરળીકરણ સાથે ટેક્સને લઈને આગળ વધી શકાય.
The government has already introduced faceless assessment and appeal this year. The next level of income tax appeal is the Income Tax Appellate Tribunal. I now propose to make this tribunal faceless. We shall establish a national faceless Income Tax Appellate Tribunal Center. All communication between the tribunal and the appellant shall be electronic. Where personal hearing is needed, it shall be done through video conferencing.